Right, so now we'll take a look at the Search Console Analyst, which is an amazing skill, one of the most important ones you'd want to keep with you, especially if you're an SEO. So go ahead and click on enter, or if you also wanted to give some information, you could. But generally, if you do this, it's going to automatically ask you relevant questions and then help you get the relevant data, all right? So you can see that it's going to ask you which sort of site you want if you have multiple properties, and you can also select what you want. If you want a complete report, if you want to see why traffic has dropped, indexing issues, or anything else, I'll go ahead and ask it to just give me a overall performance report. This is a very new website that I've sort of working on. You can see that it's already starting to work over here. It's opened it over here. This is the site. And you can see that Claude is active over here. It's going to do its work, and then it's going to give us our info. So you can see it's created this report, and it's such a beautiful looking one. Like I mentioned, this is a newer website, but you have all the information over here. Scroll down how many pages are indexed, technical issues, and all these stop pages. Now, if you wanted, you could go ahead and ask it any question, right? Like I've added over here, which keywords getting impressions require a dedicated page of their own. So this is a lot of times us SEOs, right? We're trying to find for keywords to build pages around. And instead of us having to do all this manually, you can use Claude very easily. All you have to do is download the skill, put it in your Claude, and then it's good to go, right? You can see as you speak, it's working in this tab over here. And even if I go to the browser, you can see that it actually is working on these keywords and everything over here. So that's really good. So you can see it's given me exactly those keywords and groups to go after. Scroll down, it's given me an even more nice presentable looking sort of hub. You can always ask it to do this, but then you can see how useful this GSC skill can be. So next,